Hello strangers, thought I would explain myself a little bit. This channel has been mostly inactive for the last 4 years. We had our first son in 2021 and we've just had another one. I say just had another one, he's like 8 months old now. So I haven't really been making videos because I'm not going to motorsport events and I'm not buying project cars anymore. So that's why the vPerformance channel has been basically dead in the water for like 4 years. I thought this would come, but it's just been harder than I expected. But I've still been making videos about the Land Cruiser. So basically this message is to let you know that if you have found this channel because of the Land Cruiser videos, you need to go and look at Land Cruiser Scotland, because I'm posting videos there every week, because I can edit videos when the kids are asleep, I can work here in the garage when there's nothing else to do in the evenings, and I've got a Land Cruiser which needs fixed anyway to keep the thing on the road. And this year I'm going to be doing off-road days, so I'm in the process of modifying it and making specific repairs like the diff locks and so on, so that I can take it on off-road days. So if you found vPerformance channel in order to get Land Cruiser content, you got to move over to the Land Cruiser Scotland channel. In 2026, I'm going to try and get out to a few more track days and drift days of things as a spectator, so there's a good chance I'll get some video footage of that. But I think for now, my project car phase is behind me a little bit while I do my fatherhood phase instead. I'm fortunate that I've got a garage space and I've still got all the camera equipment and gear so that I can still produce videos and talk to them. It's just that now my efforts are going into the Land Cruiser channel, because I don't have a choice. I've got to fix that car no matter what. And there's lots of people who want more content and more help with fixing their own Land Cruisers. So that's why I've kind of pivoted across. So if you're interested in seeing more of the Land Cruiser stuff, Land Cruiser Scotland, it's on Instagram and YouTube and all the rest as Land Cruiser Scotland. Off-road videos, still some project work, and some of my inane chatter is still over there. But drifty footage, project car stuff, it's basically dead in the water until my kids grow up a little bit, and then I can get back to it, hopefully. But I just want to let you know why this channel's basically gone dead, because I didn't really explain myself very well. That said, I'm still answering questions and comments on this channel, so when people have questions or they ask about the RS6 or whatever, I can still help them with their problems. But this channel's going to remain dormant unless I've got some sort of track day project car stuff that I'm helping a friend with. I'm still alive. The family's well, I'm well, I've still got the Land Cruiser, I've got a Corolla, the RS6 is gone, the Subaru's gone, the Jaguar's crushed, the Cabaroo still doesn't have an engine in it, the Lexus is gone as well because its engine and gearbox went off to power another drift car, so everything's gone apart from the Land Cruiser and a Corolla. Project cars, kind of dead in the water. Let us hope that someday we get to go back to that. But I just want to let you know, I'm not dead, family's doing well, I'm doing well, I just don't have time right now to prioritise project car videos because I wouldn't have anything interesting to talk about. So that's where I've been. 2026, I will put some more videos on if I've got something interesting going on, but if you don't hear from me, I hope you're doing well, I hope you're staying safe and making good decisions, and and I can see you on the Land Cruiser Scotland channel if you want to hear some of my bullshit over there. Thanks for watching everyone, take care, make good decisions, bye for now.